If for any reason you need to replace the RAM in your computer, your laptop, or you need to, or there is the need for you to upgrade it, the first thing you need to know is what type of RAM is in the computer. First, you need to know the type of RAM in the computer. So quickly, this is a quick video to show how you can determine the type and size of RAM that your computer is using. So if your computer is up like mine, it means that the RAM is in good shape, or it's working, and you might not need a replacement. So if your computer boots up, it's easy. If your computer turns on, or it's on like this, or like mine, it's easy to determine the type and class of RAM. So first thing you do is I click on Start, then go to Settings, and in Settings, go to Systems, and then while you're in Systems, scroll down to About, click on About. Right here under Device Specifications, you can see the type of processor and installed RAM. So here you see I have 4 gig installed, and out of it 3.88 gigabytes is usable. But this is the size of RAM in this computer. Okay, but this just tells us the size. We don't know the class of RAM. Okay, so to know the class or the type of RAM, do a right click. Do a right click on the taskbar. Go to Task Manager. Now in Task Manager, you see memory. Expand that a bit. Then in the memory, you see it is 4 gig and it is DDR3. So if I'm to upgrade the RAM in this computer, I must buy a DDR3. It also tells us that this computer has 2 slots for the memory. It has 2 memory slots. 1 out of the 2 is in use, and the form factor of the RAM is go to System Information, turn that open. Now from System Information, I see the model of my computer. It says it's a ProBook. It's a HP ProBook 450 GR, 2nd generation. Okay, so you can go online and look for the memory spec of this computer. That's another way you can get to know memory of this computer. Okay. Now this is HP, says HP ProBook 450 G2 specifications. I go with that, and close this. Okay, right in the memory section tells us, see, HP support here also shows the kind of RAM. So it says it's a DDR3, so it can either be 2 gig, 4 gig, or 8 gig modules. And it says its maximum can upgrade this computer is to 16 gig. So that's the third thing. That's the third way to know to know the kind of RAM that is running in your computer. This is more detailed. So from this, you know the kind of RAM and how much RAM to go for. Well, this is hoping this information will be useful to someone. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Thank you.